In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Instant. You can easily use this option. Simply at first open your Instagram, press on to match this option, and you get follow the top right, showing you to this option. Press on to plus option, then you can get this. This is a new feature and showing you to more option. If you want to rotate your camera, this is a back camera and this is a front camera. If you want to enable flash or disable flash option, to choose friend on close friend. Okay, and take this, press on, showing it to this. Okay, as you can see, this is only visit to you. When you select to friend, then it's take it to visit my all friend. Okay, easily check out my friend, my instant. If you want to customize, to delete or create recap, okay, create again. Or if you want to download in your gallery, so long press to select, save to camera roll. Now check in my camera roll. That's it.